So when you open the website, for example, depending on where you saw this advert, if it's on Facebook, it's on Instagram, it's on any app, it's going to take you straight to this place. Well, this picture here like this, it shows you're in the right place. So to make payment, all you have to do is to just move down, or you can decide to read through and see what's there. So because as I've told you that all these are in the 20 high income skills, these are what you will get. So you can decide to scroll down and move on to stuff like this, but you won't see buy in this place except you go up. So you are going to click on buy now, then it's going to tell you the amount, which is 1,000 naira depending on your currency. So you are going to click on check out. I'm doing this on laptop, so the same thing applies to mobile phone. So the next thing you do is going to ask for your name. So you're going to put in your name there like that. Then it asks you for your mail. Put your mail as well. Then put in your phone number. If you have one, you can just put in that stuff and you're good. So I'm just putting in random phone numbers. Then it's going to tell you the cost for your purchase, which is just a small money of 19 bucks. So the total amount will be 1090. But you can decide to go for bank transfer depending. But right now, let's just hit on pay now. Then in no time soon, it's going to ask for your bank details and take you to the payment page where you are going to enter your bank debit cards, the details there. So when you're done, all you do is to click. But if you decide to use other options, you can come here and click on pay with USSD, banks, or bank transfer. So if you want to use bank transfer, what you do is to click on bank transfer and see the options there. Then the next thing, you just wait for this stuff to load and you are good to go. So sometimes it might be network and stuff. Above all, you can still chat me on WhatsApp through the link provided on this advert. So you chat me on WhatsApp and just make your payment and send me proof of payment and you're good to go. All right, so now proceed to your bank to complete this payment. So all you do is to just copy this stuff, open your bank and send this money to Wema Bank and put in account details and beneficiary name. You can add Selar. Then you move to I have made this payment. Then they are going to confirm your payment in less than 5 minutes. So they are going to wait and wait. If they don't find anything, you will get a message on your mail that transaction not completed and other stuffs. So if you feel like using bank, let me just X out from here. Since this is go, I'm going to hit on OK. Then I'll click on pay now and see if we move on. Let me show you another options which I think is better. So it's going to load and you can decide to use USSD. Click on USSD. Then it's going to tell you click here to choose. So you can decide to, maybe you are paying through Access Bank. Then you click your bank. Then you're going to say pay with social amount depending on how much you're paying. So it's going to tell you pay. So you're going to wait for this stuff to pay. Then it's going to tell you, provide you bank account details you have to pay into, all for free. All for free, yes. So just 1090, a very very small money compared to the worth of this course. All right, so it's going to tell you transaction failed and stuff. So I advise you just move on and just play with the bank transfer or your card or anyone you want to use. Let's just go to the last option here, which is bank, and see what's there. So now trust me when I tell you you're going to get access to lots of stuff. So this is what you're going to get when you finally pay for this your simple course. So I'm going to take you straight to this place. Okay, let me come here and open this and show you what you get. So over here now, you're going to have this kind of high income skill. You're going to have this one TikTok marketing, which you can open by just double clicking. I'm doing this on my mobile phone, my laptop. So you're going to have access to different training courses all in your drive and you're good to go. So there are other options there which you take time. You can download them and watch them anytime of the day. Yes, you can download them, but you don't have the right to resell them. Just ensure you watch and implement. So above here, if you click on this place, there is a link here that is simple message. I advise at the end of this place you don't click on this link because it's going to take you to my WhatsApp, which I've lost. So I advise you just stay, don't click on this. If you have a message to send me, just send me through the number provided in the page. Yes, there is a link provided in the page. Just click there and chat me up through the seller page, and definitely I will attend to you in no time soon. All right. So as I said, if you want to chat me up, ensure you've made your payment so that I can attend to you. Because if you've not done that, I won't attend to you at all. So at the end, when you're done with your payment, you can click on the link down there, then send me a message directly on WhatsApp. Then it's going to load and tell you, hey, I'm taking you straight to WhatsApp so that you can chat this guy up and you're good to go. So since I'm not opening WhatsApp, this is who you are chatting. So chat me up and I will sort this for you and we'll become friend, and you get access to other development that will come in no time soon. All right, thank you for purchasing.